Okay, we're doing some more gypsum stuff. So we got all the walls done up to the top. We can come back and tie in the bottoms later. This is our overhang here, which is 2 pieces of 2x, pre-taped in. Of course, all the sheathing and wood is all taped. And then we fire caulked off to this, and then we're going to put another piece of gypsum below this, and then another piece of dense deck up, and then that's going to attach to the rooftop. There's kind of like a complicated little detail there where what we're going to have is a piece of 1/4-inch dense deck on here that's 3 studs wide. So this one, and this one. And then we're going to put a piece of 3/8 plywood on that, on top of it. And then the roofing membrane. No aspiradora, por favor. Un momento. The dense deck is going to be here. That's going to come over, and those 2 things should flush out. And then the EPDM 90 mil roofing is going to come over that, and then wrap down the face and hang just a 1/4 inch off here. And then we're going to put the drip edge over top of it, and then drive nails into that plywood, and the plywood's to make the nails stable. And then we're going to glue in another piece of EPDM on top of that to make sure that those nails don't leak. They'll be nails sort of like this. And then this is the cladding for the parapet wall. And then we're going to have the same material on the floor here. And then that's going to go on top as well. And then we're going to put blue tape and Adhero over the top of that. We're going to do that today for rain prep. So we're going to have another piece of dense deck on top here. So there's the exterior sheathing is here. And then we're going to have this one. There's of course plywood to here and plywood to right here. So that's the 5/8 dense deck. And then that's the plywood. This is a triple 2x6 top plate, so we can screw into it and add railing mounts in the future if needed. And then the dense deck is going to cover the top of this, and then we're going to have Adhero over the top for weather protection temporary, and then we're going to have a piece of 4-inch Tescon Vanna 100 millimeter that's going to be stuck here. And then we're going to have it has a dual release, so we're going to stick half the tape here, and then we're going to leave this part down here unstuck, and it'll be kind of flappy. And then when we come up the wall, shingling from the bottom with the Adhero, we'll be able to slip in underneath of that tape. And then the EPDM pressure bar is going to run right down here, and it's going to wrap all the way over here and then all the way down, and the EPDM will come over this, and then we're going to put sheet metal over top of everything. So that's the plan. And we just got started this morning, so we're cutting the angle here on the bottom. Of course, everything is pre-taped in. All the wood is taped. All the seams are taped in these top plates. Everything is really sweet looking. So everything is pre-taped and pressed. These guys are extremely good at pressing everything. And this is the plan. So we're shedding water now with this tape job, and then we're going to go over it, and then we're going to fire caulk all of the exterior, just like all this is. So all the sheathing that's on top of the plywood, so the gypsum sheathing, is all 4-inch fastener spacing and 8-inch in the field. So 4-inch on the edge, 8-inch in the field, all the way around. So again, same thing on this side. And yeah. So that's the roof. We're working on it today. Thanks for looking.